Hughes Center is a residential treatment center for children and adolescents with autism spectrum disorder or an intellectual disability. In addition to this baseline criteria, youth must have a co-occurring psychiatric diagnosis and must require the educational supports of an IEP or 504. The Hughes Center serves ages 10 to 22, with an average length of stay being 1 year. Youth are served from all across the country, working with different localities due to the specialized nature of the program. The Hughes Center is located on a beautiful 67-acre campus that began as an orphanage in 1927. In February 2024, on our same campus, a new modern 96-bed facility was opened, and our youth are now receiving services in this state-of-the-art facility. This new facility offers advanced features that provide additional support to our youth in one building, including a secured environment, sensory rooms, secured outdoor space, and 5 exploratory rooms, comprised of an art room, a music room, a gaming room, and an indoor activity space. The program focuses on 3 main principles interwoven throughout each department, including identification of core values, enhancing daily living skills, and participating in clinical interventions consistent with DBT principles. These threads are incorporated throughout the facility, including clinical, nursing, education, and programming. Please feel free to contact us for any additional questions you may have.